Oh gitu. Israel payah. Israel penjajah.
I love you. I love you. Performance by.
I'm the blessed player in the world on cash.
Oh, chess.com.
Just.
Oh, you playing chess? You eat what tuh? Eat what tuh, brother?
My name is Enyos.
Enyos. You YouTuber, Bang? Yeah. Are you YouTuber, Bang? You streamer ya?
Yes, I'm a streamer.
Gimana Israel? Hamas di sana gimana? How is Hamas?
זה לא מוצא אותי. מה אמא שלך? סבתא שלך חמאס. Don't say חמאס.
Hamas kan always war with you tuh. Sending roket. Yeah. Sending roket ente Hamas.
Do you support Hamas?
I support Hamas dong.
Do you support Israel?
Wah, Israel penjajah.
Do you support Israel?
Israel, wah, penjajah.
Do you support Israel?
Do you support Israel? No, I support Palestine. Free Palestine gitu, brother. Halo.
Salam.
You from Iran?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
How about you? Yeah. Your connection not very good. Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Bahar. I'm writing for you.
Oh, Bahar.
Yeah.
Bahar.
I'm 16.
16 years old.
And
Really?
yeah, and in yes.
Oh, you are Bahar. Bahar in Indonesia is a male, not female. Laki-laki biasanya. Like a preman in the market. Bahar, Kang Bahar. Yeah, I have a friend named Bahar, but he is male, not female. A man, not a girl. But your name is Bahar. Iya, ada aja dah. You are very beautiful. You are beautiful.
Oh my God,
Beautiful, beautiful. Kamu cantik, cantik dari belakang gitu.
What's your name?
My name is Portal Complex.
Oh my God.
You are very kind. Bahar, aduh Kang Bahar.
Thank you.
Your bibir like habis makan coba.
What red?
Red, merah. Merah. PDIP.
Merah.
PDIP.
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 Yeah. Merah PDIP.
Merah PDIP.
Iya, betul.
It's red.
Iya, red. Red. You can just say merah. Iya, merah.
PDIP.
PDIP. Aduh, merah aja, just merah, not PDIP. PDIP is political party in Indonesia.
Merah is red.
just say
merah is red.
Iya, merah is red. PDIP is political party in Indonesia. Aduh, akhirnya gue dapet yang
And
gini.
you?
Me, Indonesia. Indonesia is nasi kebuli. Gado-gado.
I'm searching in internet.
Gado-gado. Gado. It's a traditional food in Indonesia. Gado-gado. Oh, very delicious.
Oh my God.
It's like a traditional salad in Indonesia.
Oh my God. Me too. I love salad.
Oh, with peanut sauce and wah, very delicious dah. Pokoknya gado-gado. You come to Indonesia. This is rupiah. Nih, 100,000 rupiah. You can buy batagor, gado-gado, somai. I will traktir you dah. Come
can
here.
you speak?
Speak what? Speak what? I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love-
Setaram.
Tusetaram.
Setaram.
Tusetaram. I love you too.
Oh my god.
Do you have chicken color rice? I made
Chicken?
colorized chicken. And there is a little chicken that has coloring. Pink,
Oh my god. Yeah.
yellow, green,
Yeah.
like that.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Uh,
Chicken. Very color.
Yeah, colorful chicken,
Yeah.
like that.
Little.
In Indonesia, it is sell in the elementary school for the kids. For the student. The student buy it in front of the school. Am I look older or younger? Oh yeah, I haven't shaved
You're
my
young.
mustache.
No, you isn't old. You isn't.
Oh, isn't old eh? Masih cocok. I am handsome dah. You are very friendly, Bahar. Aduh, I like you dah, Iran people. In here, Bahar, in my heart.
Yeah.
Ya, dia nggak ngerti lagi.
Do you have an Instagram? You have an Instagram?
I have Instagram, yeah. I have Instagram.
Okay.
My
Please give me the ID. Your
The-
ID.
my ID, my Instagram is Why you need my Instagram? You want to follow me? Yeah.
I want to follow.
Yeah, you DM me. Yeah. Can I sing for you? Do you wanna hear me singing? Oh kak. I wanna sing for you nih. One song.
Okay.
Apa ya? Bentar. Wait a minute. I forget.
Okay.
Without
have a
you,
good time.
I'm nothing. I cannot stand by myself. Your ray of love guide me, bring me back to your arms. Thank you very much, darling, for everything you give me again. That opportunity, I will not repeat all of my mistakes, all of my mistakes that already hurt you so bad. How is my voice? Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Aku sayang kamu.
Aku juga sayang kamu.
Oh my god, yeah.
Ini momen langka. Hello. Tawa lu. Yahudi, songong. You from Israel?
Israel.
Oh, Israel. From Haifa. Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
Where are you from?
Oh,
Where are you from?
Singapore. I'm from Singapore.
We are from Ashdod.
Do you know Singapore?
We are from Ashdod.
Ah?
We love Singapore. We love Singapore.
Oh, you love Singapore. Gitu. Iya. Betul. Israel. How is Israel right now? Is it safe?
Yeah.
Is there any war over there?
No.
Because Israel always war with Palestinian.
Yes.
sending rocket each other, cuy dor gitu.
We don't sending rockets for Palestine, but we can protect ourselves.
Oh, you only protect yourself. Ah, basi bullshit. Israel payah. Israel penjajah.
I love you.
Israel payah. Israel payah. Aduh. Israel penjajah. Israel payah. Halo, Bang. Aduh, Coca-Colanya orang Palestina tuh ya, ada kayak lu minum. Bang, jambul bang lu tinggi lu akhlak lu rendah. Ada, bang bagi bang kubis bang, gua kurang tebel deh kubis gua deh. Gua tampol lu. Ada. Bang, suara lu kecil bang, beli mikrofon apa ya? Yalah, masa kalah sama mikrofon musola. Oh, Arabik. Ahlan wa sahlan gitu. Sabiq, la tatrudda lahiq, al-fawz mu'akkad lah, lan yuhzam 'abdan mansah bintisar. Sabiq, لا تترد اللاحق الفوز مؤكد لا لن يهزم عبدا منساه نهوى بانتصار gitu bang. Udah nggak jelas ente bang, lama-lama gue pukul pakai rudal Hamas lo bang. Udah